Hi, I'm Julie Cooling, founder of RIA Channel and contributor with Forbes. I'm here with Rob Hughes, head of Index and Advisor Solutions at Nasdaq. Rob, thanks for being with me today.
Thanks for having me.
So tell us what's new at Nasdaq.
Well, I have to say we're down here at a very exciting conference. I think it's the success of the ETF industry has been a great thing for Nasdaq. Certainly a great thing for our Index and Advisor Solutions business. We're entering this year with close to 300 ETFs around the world, listed in 18 different countries, with about $125 billion tracking it. So we see a lot of great momentum in our business right now, and I think you just look around the room and think about all the great things that are happening. We're excited for 2017.
Absolutely. Well, I know you ran a panel yesterday on launching ETFs, a very big interest for mutual fund companies, other advisors. Can you tell us what's involved with launching an ETF?
Absolutely. Well, I think from our perspective, there are certainly a great number of things that go on behind the scenes when people get ETFs to marketplace. But from an index provider perspective, you know, what our challenge is working with the traditional mutual fund managers and helping them translate that traditional active strategy into an index. And so we work with them in our product development and index development team, works with them creating a rules-based, transparent, repeatable message that helps them get to where they want to be in terms of being able to launch an ETF and take advantage of the tremendous growth in this industry.
And there are a lot of traditional asset managers entering this space. Obviously, to your point, they have to figure out a way to change their strategy or convert their strategy into an exchange-traded product.
Yes.
When you look at the fundamentals and the differences between that fund versus that ETF, obviously the cost comes way down, much more transparency with the product, but we are seeing a lot of funds launch smart beta products because there's that active component. Can you talk about the demand there?
Well, I think smart beta certainly is going to continue to drive a lot of focus by the traditional active managers when they're looking at what their opportunity set is in the ETF world. And so we feel like that's a place where they feel comfortable in terms of the ability to match a traditionally active strategy with some of the things that the index brings to the table. And so we think that they'll continue to do that. We certainly like the factor space when you're looking at volatility, when you're looking at momentum, when you're looking at value and quality. All of those ideas, all of those factors are so well known to the active management world that they feel very comfortable in that area. And I think from our perspective, we've had great success with firms like Principal. We did a number of products with them last year, and I'm very excited about the experience that we gleaned from that in really helping these mutual fund managers take that strategy and create the index that's going to be their next great product.
Right. And then the role of an index provider with these fund companies has changed significantly, I think, too, in terms of especially education, advisor education, incorporating these ETFs into their total asset allocation models. Can you talk a little bit about Nasdaq as a resource?
Yeah. Well, I think we all know exactly how hard it is to raise even a single dollar of ETF AUM. And so I think from our perspective on the index provider side, we've worked really hard to not only bring a tremendous amount of capabilities on the development side to the table, but also bring a tremendous amount of capabilities on the distribution support side. And that was certainly a large part of why we did the Dorsey Wright acquisition in 2015, which has been fantastic for us and given us an entirely new universe of advisor clients who utilize the Dorsey Wright methodology every single day. But what it's also shown us is it shows us that with the capabilities that we have on the index and creation side and with the capabilities that we'll be bringing to the table on the product distribution support side, that we're matching up very well with what some of the demands are by these new clients, by the new people who are coming into the ETF industry, people who are already here, and putting Nasdaq in a great position to offer them some tremendous solutions along the way.
Well, congratulations, and thank you so much for being with us today.
Absolutely, thank you.